What's the magic formula? How do you manifest your desires and watch them materialize before your eyes? Stick around because I've got the lowdown right here. First things first, let me tell you about my experience. I used to dream of traveling to exotic destinations, but my bank account and commitment said otherwise. Then I stumbled upon the power of manifesting. Step 1, you've got to dream big. Picture your desire vividly, whether it's a dream job, a loving relationship, or that adventurous trip you've always wanted. Now comes the fun part. Step 2, believe it's yours already. Imagine waking up feeling the excitement of having achieved it. Feel the emotions, the joy, the gratitude. And then step 3, act as if. Make choices that align with your dream. For me, that meant researching travel deals, saving a little extra each month, and planning my itinerary. Trust me, the universe loves the proactive co-creator. Remember that question at the beginning. How do you manifest anything in life? Well, it's all about your energy. The thoughts you emit into the universe, the emotions you infuse into your desires, that's the key. So what are you waiting for? Start dreaming, believing, and taking inspired actions. Whether it's love, success, adventure, you've got the power to manifest it all. Tell me, what's that one thing you're ready to manifest? Drop a comment below. Let's spark some magic in this journey together. Until next time, remember, you're the author of your own story.